Hello everyone, this is sixth special equation. I request everyone to watch question number 1 to question number 6, question number 1 to question number 5, okay, then come to this video. Okay everyone, so over here the question is how many ordered pairs of integers a comma b where b is greater than 0, okay, satisfy the equation 2 divided by a plus 3 divided by b is equal to 1 divided by 4. Okay everyone, so over here a and b are integers, okay, they can be positive, they can be negative, but the condition on b is what? Tell me, b has to be greater than 0, okay, b has to be greater than 0. So let's solve this. First step is cross multiplication as it is, but before that let's conclude denominator cannot be equal to 0, okay, so the value of a cannot be equal to 0 and the value of b also cannot be equal to 0. So first of all let's cross multiply. The cross multiplication is 3a plus 2b divided by ab is equal to 1 divided by 4. Again cross multiply, so ab is equal to 12a plus 8b, okay. Let's bring all terms to the left hand side, so it is ab minus 12a minus 8b is equal to 0, okay. So there has to be fourth term. That fourth term is the multiplication of middle two terms, that is minus 12 into minus 8 is equal to 96. So we are going to add 96 in both sides, okay everyone. So let's add 96 to both sides, so plus 96 is equal to plus 96, okay. So now from first two terms, okay, first two terms let's take a common, in a bracket b minus 12 is remaining. Now from next two terms let's take minus 8 common, in a bracket b minus 12 is there, okay, is equal to 96. So now from these two terms, okay, let's take b minus 12 common. So what is remaining in a bracket? A minus 8 is remaining, okay. So the factorization is going to be what? The factorization is a minus 8 into b minus 12 is equal to how much? Is equal to 96, okay everyone. So now look here, now over here the condition is b, value of b should be greater than 0, okay. Over here it is b minus 12, okay. So let's subtract 12 from both sides, so b minus 12 should be greater than minus 12, okay everyone. So we need to take care that the value of b minus 12, okay, the value this bracket will take is going to be what? Tell me, less than minus 12, okay. The value this bracket will take should be less than minus 12. Sorry, let me correct this. The value that b minus 12 will take should be more than minus 12, okay everyone. So now over here 96 is what? 96 is 32 into 3, okay. 32 is what? 32 is 2 to the power 5 into 3, okay. So total how many factors will be there, okay. Total how many factors this equation is having, this number is having, okay. So number of factors is equal to how much? 5 plus 1 into 1 plus 1, okay, that is equal to 6 into 2, that is equal to total 12 factors are there, okay. So over here a minus 8 into b minus 12 is equal to 96, means b minus 12 is a factor of 96, okay. So these are the 12 values b minus 12 can take. Along with these 12 values, b minus 12 can take 12 another values, okay. These are positive values and these are negative values, okay. So value of b minus 12 can be positive, value of b minus 12 can be negative. So total how many values b minus 12 can take? Total 24 values b minus 12 can take. But out of these 24 values we need to see that, we need to check that how many values are greater than minus 12, or let's say how many values are less than minus 12, okay. What we don't want value of b minus 12 to be less than minus 12, okay everyone. So what I will do is, let's list down the values which we don't want, okay. Now what we don't want, let's list it down, okay. What we don't want, okay, we don't want value of b minus 12 to be, we don't want value of b minus 12 to be minus 32, we don't want this, okay. We don't want value of b minus 12 to be minus 32 into 3, we don't want value of b minus 12 to be minus 32, okay everyone. We don't want value of b minus 12 to be minus 16 into 3, we don't want it to be minus 16, okay. We don't want value of b minus 12 to be minus 8 into 3, okay, minus 8 is fine. We don't want value of b minus 12 to be minus 8 into 3. Okay, after that minus 4 into 3 we don't want. Okay, minus 4 is fine, minus 8 is fine. We don't want value of b minus 12 to be minus 8 into 3. Minus 4 into 3 is how much? Minus 12. B minus 12 cannot be minus 12. Okay, we want b minus 12 to be greater than minus 12. Okay everyone, is there any other value that b minus 12 cannot take? Is there any other value which is a factor of 96 but which is less than minus 12? Okay everyone, I hope these are the only 6 values that we don't want. These are the 6 values, okay, we don't want. Okay everyone, so how many values b minus 12 can take? How many values b minus 12 can take? Total 24 minus 6, total 18 values b minus 12 can take. Okay, so there are 18 possible solutions are there. So how many solutions are there? Total 18 possible solutions are there. Okay, we do not need to worry about the value of a, because a can be positive integer and a can be negative integer, both are acceptable. Okay everyone, likewise we can solve this. Okay.